This video walks you through how to enter your date of birth in TurboTax. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where you want to update your personal details. After the return loads, stay on the main workspace and look to the left side of the screen for the navigation menu. This menu gives you access to different sections of the return, including the area where your personal information is stored. From that left-hand menu, click My Info. When that section opens, you will see the part of the return that contains your personal details and any other identifying information connected to your filing profile. Take a moment to make sure you are in the Your Info section before moving forward, since that is where the date of birth field will appear. In the Your Info section, click Revisit or Review/Edit depending on the version currently displayed on your screen. Either option opens the same area for updating or confirming the information already entered in your return. Once you select it, TurboTax will bring up the fields tied to your personal record. Now locate the date of birth field. It may appear alongside other identity details, so scan that section carefully until you find the place where your birth date belongs. When you are in the correct field, click into it so you can type your information directly. Enter your birth date using the m/dd/yyyy format. That means the month comes first, then the day, and then the full 4-digit year. Be careful to place each part of the date in the correct order. If the field fills automatically as you type, continue entering the date in that same format so TurboTax records it properly. After entering the date, verify that it is correct and that it matches your official records. Look over the month, day, and year one more time before saving the change. This is the point where it helps to catch a transposed number or a year entered incorrectly, since those small mistakes can affect the information attached to your return. Once you have confirmed that the date is accurate, click Continue. This saves the information and moves you forward in the return. If TurboTax advances to the next screen, that indicates your updated date of birth has been accepted and added to your personal information section. Your date of birth is now entered in TurboTax and saved with your tax return.